Pneumonia is something scientists used to just simply dream of, but now has become a reality. As usual, though, it has its pros and cons. Mainly what happens is that scientists will take an egg out of the woman and take any cell out of the man. They then use electricity to jumpstart the process, and they then later replace the embryo inside of the woman until it is born. Why the religious people think it is wrong is because God isn't creating the baby. Scientists are. Scientists are now the ones choosing the chromosomes. Also, scientists are incapable of giving it a soul, according to the internet. If none of this makes sense, think of it as a two-layered cake. The oven is like the cake's life. The mixer and heat are like the electricity to start the project. The ingredients are like the chromosomes. The cake bread is part of the guy's cell, and frosting is like the girl's. The cake will taste good no matter the ingredients. The scientists have their own way of doing things. They make the frosting with no ingredients and turn it into a flavorless paste, whereas for the bread, they put extra ones. Now the cake will only taste like the bread part. What people are scared about is that they think God is the baker and he controls the oven. They believe that God chooses the ingredients. Now, another part is that if you think of the sugar like a soul, the scientists, bakers, can't put that in. They are too short to reach that cabinet, and God is the only one that can put it in. A lot of the cons were in there, but there is also some pros. If someone was a great athlete, a team could duplicate him 5 times and draft him for their basketball team when he grows up. Did you know that people will duplicate any animal and sell them as their meat? Well, later in the future, we could all be eating the perfect steak. The big question is that just because we can, should we? The question is still unanswered and probably will be for a long time. Scientists are still doing research, but I don't see a point in doing it. We should simply stay looking at animals and work on doing it with them. Until they have figured out a good reason, though, I think the process can wait.